Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to look at more examples under differentiation. We're going to look at differentiation of another special curve called y is equal to x cubed. Therefore we say more examples, we say to find the gradient of the curve y is equal to x cubed. And this one is the same as finding the derivative of y is equal to x cubed. Therefore, we follow the rules and we say dy dx, that is differentiating y with respect to x, is equal to lower the power, which is 3, and then reduce the power by 1, which is 3 minus 1. Therefore, we said dy dx is equal to 3, then x squared. So the gradient of the curve y is equal to x cubed will be y, the gradient of the curve y is equal to x cubed is 3x squared, following our general rule that when we differentiate a function, we lower the old power and then we reduce the power by 1. Ladies and gentlemen, in our next video, we are going to look at differentiation using first principles in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.